And therefore, as we go out into the marketplace, we're only as trustworthy and ethical as our most stupid competitor. We're not in the business that's short-term, we're in the business that's long-term. Our patents and our patents last for more than a week. And therefore, what we deliver today has to be sustainable and believable and acceptable and subject to scrutiny for many years to come. As an industry, we've evolved to become a powerhouse, specifically in the United States. And you probably know this better than I do, but about 70% of all the new innovative medicines that come to market in the world are discovered, developed, and marketed through US companies. There is no other country in the world that rewards innovation as much as we do. For years now, we have drawn and attracted funding, research, intelligence into our country, and our system has allowed us to bring to market effectively and rapidly new innovative products. We have an economic system that rewards research and innovation. That's a system, ladies and gentlemen, that we need to protect and defend as passionately as possible. Because when that's gone, there's nothing left. My last comment about innovation is pretty simple, right? It never comes easy. Innovation, like genius, is 10% inspiration and 90% perspiration. But let me tell you one more story about a patient. A chap called Jim. Jim was about 42, married, 2 young children. And about 4 years ago, he discovered a lump on the side of his chest. And Jim was diagnosed with metastatic melanoma. That's a bit of a bummer, right? Because metastatic melanoma has a life expectancy of 6 months. And by the time Jim was diagnosed, the cancer had spread to his kidney, his liver, his lungs, and throughout his abdomen. The oncologist at Memorial Sloan Kettering said fundamentally there was nothing they could do for him and suggested that he enter a clinical trial for an investigational new drug that takes an innovative approach to treating this type of cancer. There were no guarantees, no assurances that anything would work. Yet 4 years later, after entering the trial, Jim is still around. In fact, his tumors have all but dissipated. And earlier this year, he came to talk to us. Came to talk to the scientists that have discovered this drug. And he talked a lot about how we'd give him back life, etc., etc. But in the end, he said, I don't want you ever to give up. Please don't ever, ever give up developing innovative medicines. In the world of healthcare, there's plenty of uncertainty to go around. And at a time when it's become fairly popular to use us as a punch bag or to beat up the industry, we know ourselves that every one of us is working incredibly hard, extremely hard, to make an impact that is positive on the health of millions. And we will not ever give up. So whether you're helping to develop drugs, or whether you're helping to develop medical devices, or whether you're helping to market and communicate them, feel good, feel proud, and remember to celebrate this wonderful work we do. Then go out and innovate again. Thank you very much.
Tony is kind enough to be presenting our Company of the Year awards.
All right, so I'm told that the finalists for the Pharmaceutical Biotech Company of the Year are Abbott Laboratories, Amgen, and AstraZeneca. And the winner of this year's Trailblazer Company Award is AstraZeneca. finalists for the Medical Device Company of the Year are Baxter International, Becton Dickinson, and Medtronic. And the winner of this category goes to Baxter International. And then the finalists for the Advertising Agency of the Year are firstly Euro RSCG Life LMNP. I've got to talk to you guys about name recognition. Group DCA and Harrison and Starr. And the winner of the agency award is Harrison and Starr. And for my part of the evening, last but not least, the finalists for the Supplier Vendor of the Year are Cegedim Denright, Communications Media Inc., and Healthy Advice Networks. Anna gives me the card. The winner is Healthy Advice Network.